This installation consists of 9 steps. The most important of the steps is step 6, install interior chassis. Before you assemble the latch, you must determine your door latch type. It will either be chiseled with square corners, chiseled with round corners, or not chiseled. If your door is chiseled, assemble the latch by sliding the back plate onto the latch with the protruding edges facing the latch bolt. Next, select the appropriate faceplate for your door and insert the latch bolt through the hole in the faceplate. Ensure that the notched edge of the faceplate is on the opposite side of the bolt slant. Confirm that the holes on the faceplate are aligned to the holes on the back plate, then press firmly until you feel both sides click into place. If your door is not chiseled, assemble the latch by sliding the drive-in collar onto the latch, ensuring that the notched edge of the collar is on the opposite side of the bolt slant. Press firmly until you feel both tabs of the collar click into place. Next, hold the latch in front of the door with the latch face flush against the door edge. If the latch holes are centered in the door hole, no adjustment is required. If the latch holes are not centered, adjust the latch by moving the pin on the latch to the extended position. Next, insert the latch into the latch hole with the slanted edge of the bolt facing the door frame. Then, secure it with the provided screws. After securing the latch, you'll need to install the adapter from the exterior side of the door. Insert the adapter and press until it fits snugly over the latch. The holes in the latch should still be visible. From the interior, ensure that the latch body is resting inside the adapter. Next, insert the exterior assembly through the latch with the handle pointing away from the edge of the door. Press the latch bolt in for a smoother installation. On the interior side of the door, align the semicircular spindle with the semicircular hole in the chassis base and gently push the assembly until the screw heads touch the base. Rotate the base counterclockwise to align the screws through the base. Once the screw heads are completely through the holes, release the base to align the screws with the base pockets. Tighten the screws to secure the chassis. Before fully tightening though, you'll need to check the alignment of the chassis to the door edge. The D-shaped holes in the chassis need to be perpendicular to the door edge. In addition, the screws must fit snugly in the base pockets with no visible gaps. Once you've ensured the alignment of the chassis, fully tighten both screws to approximately 14 inch-pounds torque. Next, you will install the rose cover. Ensure that the dimpled sides of the rose cover are on the left and right when you install it. Before fully pressing the cover on, check the alignment by ensuring that the sides of the cover are parallel to the edge of the door. Next, press the cover until you hear a click. Slight adjustments can still be made after the cover is snapped into place. Slide the lever onto the interior assembly with the handle pointing away from the edge of the door. Secure the lever by tightening the set screw with the Allen wrench to approximately 14 inch-pounds torque. The final step is to check the lever sag. Lever sag should be no more than 1 degree. If the lever sag is more than 1 degree, go back to step 6 and check the alignment of the chassis and screws.